The third tab is called Trade. By clicking the Trade tab, you will be redirected to the Trades window, which displays all your active orders and open positions. After clicking the active position once, you can display the current settings of that particular order. If you wish to close, modify, trade, or view the chart, all you need to do is click and hold on the open position, which will make the mini window pop up. If you click Modify, you will see the window where you can modify the stop loss and take profit of your active order. After inputting the new values, the Modify button at the bottom of the page becomes active. Now click the Modify button to confirm your changes. This will take you back to the Trade main window, where you can see that the changes you made have been successfully applied. Moreover, if you click the Chart main tab, you will also see the visual display of these changes. For a clearer view of the lines, simply pinch out the screen. To turn off the trade levels lines, go back to the chart options by clicking the Settings, and then Chart button as previously mentioned. Here you can see that trade levels is turned on. By sliding the switch to the left, you can choose to turn it off. This action will remove the trade level lines previously displayed on the chart window. Now let's go back to the chart options window to see the OHLC option in more detail. OHLC stands for Open, High, Low and Closed Prices. This is turned off by default. By turning it on and going back to the chart window, you can see at the top left side of the window that the OHLC is now activated. Now let's go back to the main trade tab to view the open positions. By pressing and holding on a position as mentioned earlier, the mini window pops up. Press Trade to get redirected to the order window, while the chart option will take you to the chart main tab. In order to close an order, choose the Close button from the mini window options, which will take you to a new window screen. Here you can confirm the closing of a particular order by clicking the Close by Market button. After this, you will see that your order has been successfully closed. By going back to the Trade tab, the order that you have placed earlier is no longer visible here. At the same time, here you can also see that your pending order is still active. Click the order once to have the pending order settings displayed. Press and hold on the order box and the mini window will pop up. Now let's try to delete this order with the Delete option. Once clicked, a confirmation window pops up. Here you can choose to delete your order. However, if you decide not to delete the order after all, simply click Cancel. After clicking Delete, your order will be removed from the Trade tab. The fourth main window tab is called History. The History tab displays the account history. On the top side, you can select the period of history according to your preferences. The fifth and last main tab is called Settings. The Settings tab displays the settings or options for the MT4 iPhone platform. By clicking the Trading Accounts tab, you can see all your saved accounts. Also, by pressing the plus symbol at the top right side of the Settings window, you get redirected to the New Accounts window panel, where you can choose to either start without registration, open a personal demo account, or log in to an existing account. More details regarding this section can be found in the Installation XM tutorials for the iPhone MT4 applications. The third option on the Settings tab is Charts. The Charts button allows you to view the chart settings options previously described. Next comes the Mailbox tab, where you can view all your important message updates. After that, we have the News button, which displays all the news feedback available. Next, you can see the Journal button, which displays the logs for all actions performed on your account. By using the left and right arrows below, you have the option to go back or forward one day to view the logs previously saved on your Journal tab. The last button is the About Us, which has several options, such as switching sounds on and off, auto-lock the screen, enable news, and rate this app. In case you need more help, you can always click on the user guide button, which takes you to the MetaTrader help page.